Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video basically to do one English speaking practice, and today I'm going to address one thing which is very important to a lot of beginner, which is how to speak fluently in English. So these are the basically major topic or major thing which a lot of people I have listened, and they always want to basically fluent in English language, but still they some sort of have a hesitation of speaking. So how can somebody can basically speak fluently if he hasn't basically he haven't started speaking? So this is kind of a strange thing for me, because as a native speaker you are fluent, and then after you can able to basically speak fluently. So that is how, like in our native language as well. So if you are learning some sort of things, and if you want to become a native speaker, or you can say like fluent English speaker, so we need to actually work on it, and then after we can see that our improvement in day to day basis. So this is how the things work. So for that, at least we need to start speaking from the day where you choose you want to be a fluent English speaker. And if I talk about how much time it will take to basically be a fluent English speaker, so around, I think probably it takes 1 to 2 years to understand the basic concept of or you can say understand how we need to basically utilize words and tenses and other things such as like modals. There are a lot of used things, but for speaking you don't need anything. You just need to start, because that is the most important part if you want to be a fluent in English language. Because you can be a fluent, but if somebody don't know what you are saying, so this is the major setback for you, because whatever you are speaking, if you are not able to like uh, uh, understand the people whose over you are delivering, so that is very difficult. So this happened to me as well. So couple of videos I uploaded on the YouTube. So still in that particular video I don't know what I am speaking, but still I try to basically speak that, because that is what I want to basically deliver from my end. At least I want to deliver, because then after it can I can basically rectify it, and I can find out my mistakes. So then after I can improve myself very quickly. So it is some sort of span of time, you can say, like it happens to every person's. But if you see his like level 10, and if you are comparing yourself, you are at level 1, so it is a gap which you cannot able to fill. So there is time you need to spend, and once you spend the time, and you will realize that it will take some more time. So there are multiple people on the YouTube platform, or you can say multiple platform. You will still see they are selling the courses, right? And so at the end of the day, basically you need to practice by yourself. If you didn't do that, so you will not going to get the things which you required. So once if you know you need to work on it, so why shouldn't you start doing the day where you have just spending the money? Because spending money some other person, and you need to work on yourself. So why shouldn't you spend that money to yourself? So this is how I basically plan. And if somebody also don't want to do that, so he can also actually do that, and it will also get the result as well. And you will basically start believing in yourself that if you are basically spending your time with yourself, so you can get the actual reward which somebody else going to give you if you are not believing in yourself. That is as simple as that. So on this video, that is it. I hope I'm able to basically deliver like whatever the things in my mind, right? So bye bye, have a good day.